Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful 2015 Chevrolet Impala, top of the line LTZ package. Beautiful pearl white in color. What a car. It's in excellent condition. This is probably one of the prettiest sports sedan on the market, I think. Affordable. It's got the nice 19-inch aluminum wheels with a new set of Michelin tires. It's got automatic headlights, LED daytime running lights. Beautiful stripe work on the hood and on the sides. It's got remote engine start, which is a neat feature. You just lock it, push this button, it cranks it right up. That's great. It gets the climate control going, winter or summer. This is a one owner, clean Carfax non-smoker. Southern car, no rust. Got the passive active keys. You just push this button, you can unlock and lock it as long as the key fob is nearby. It's got the blind spot monitor system. That's what the icon is in the corner. It'll flash orange if someone's in your blind spot. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seat, 11 speaker Bose sound system. How about these seats? I'll try and put the shade so you can see. They're like brand new. No sign of wear. They're heated and cooled. Beautiful leather with the piping on the side. And again, they're perfect. Got clean carpets and floor mats. Got power telescopic tilt. Got all your audio control behind the steering wheel. Electric parking brake. Park assist. Lane departure warning system. And it's got push start. All you do is put your foot on the brake. Push the start button. It cranks right up. Got 77,000 miles, but it looks like it's got 17,000 miles. Looks and drives like a new one. Great fuel mileage, up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Plenty of power. Got the V6, 3.6 liter. There's your automatic headlights. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel. Collision avoidance system. It'll slam on the brake for you if you get up on someone too quick. Audio controls, voice command, wiper control. It's got nice touch screen. This one does have navigation system. Weather, Pandora, those are things you have to subscribe, but it's there. Get your backup camera. And this is a cool button. It's got a pretty deep storage. Put a wallet, weapon, or whatever. USB input. Keep your stuff charged. Very nice. Got dual climate control. Passenger and driver can just select their own temperature, or you can sync it. All the interior is like new, no sign of wear. There's your heated seat control, cool seat, traction control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift if you want to shift. Some more storage and USB. Well, I left it over there, but I've got both keys in the window sticker. It's right at 40,000 new, so tremendous saving for a light new condition car. But I do have both keys. I guess I got them in my pocket. There we go. There's the keys. Got your OnStar auto dimming rearview mirror. It's got the panoramic sunroof with the power shade. Very nice. And then that opens up. I believe that's like $1,000 option, this one. Push it again, it'll close it. I've seen cars, 2-year-old car didn't look this nice. Whoever had this took real good care of it. Little storage bin. Got a nice roomy back seat. Get your Got a regular 120-volt outlet. Same seating. Very nice. Beautiful wheels. It's got a large trunk. They don't make trunks like this anymore. Especially when you lay the back seat down, you get a lot of extra space. I'm still learning this little gizmo here. All right. Lots of room. Power seat on both sides. Lumbar support. The body's in good shape. Get the 3.6 liter V6. Plenty of power, fuel efficient, and reliable. And this one still got the remainder of the good factory warranty. That's back when they had the 5-year 100,000. They don't do that anymore. So you've got warranty on the powertrain until May of 2020 or 100,000 mile, whichever comes first. I can sell you an extended warranty, but it does come with a warranty. If you're looking for a sharp luxury sedan at an affordable price, I believe you found it. To see if this Impala is still on my website, go to my website, Sunset Motors. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have competitive financing available with low interest rate. Credit applications on the website. You can fill it out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.